right, you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. I am on my way to a work appointment. I've got to drive 30 miles north up into Marana, Arizona for a work appointment. It's a 60-mile round trip home. The car is driving in FSD. I'm enjoying a coffee, and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys a couple of races from over the weekend. Last Friday, I was at the drag strip at Tucson Dragway here in Tucson, Arizona, and I wanted to go out there. I hadn't really done some racing in probably 3 or 4 months, actually, and I thought it would be a good idea to just get out there and let the car rip. So I got out there. It was quite busy, and I have a YouTube short that I'm actually putting up here pretty quickly that where I captured this jet engine car, like totally just letting all this smoke out prior to running. They backed up all of the other cars so that it didn't kind of like, kick any soot onto anybody's vehicles. And so it tripped me out because I had actually never seen a jet engine drag car at the drag strip before. And in one sense, I kind of wish I got some video of it up close. But then after I captured the video I got, I'm kind of glad I didn't because I didn't want to get smoked out. It was crazy. So if you get a chance, go check out that YouTube short. But anyways, I just want to show you a couple of videos of the night. Just to put a couple things in context. It was 55 degrees, and I didn't, in these electric cars, you can't really burn the rear tires up to put heat into them like you can with these gas engines. And so for those reasons, I did not have a lot of grip in the beginning of the race. So the times are not amazing, but I ran against a BMW non-M car and then a Jeep SRT. Initially, you'll hear me in the video say that it was a Trackhawk, but that it was not a Trackhawk. It was just an SRT. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys that. We're trying to get a little more regular with the content. We are a new channel, so you know how you can support us. You know what to do. And without further ado, let's get into those videos. Cheers. Jeep Trackhawk, this will be fun. Last race of the night. Let's see what we do. Woo, we are slipping everywhere. Way back there.
Quarter mile.
Oh, slow down, buddy.
Half mile.
All right, all done. Let's see what it looks like.